Today, I will explain how to change the language in the Sparkasse app. For me, the device language is currently set to English, but when I open the Sparkasse app, I see that it is in German. How can I change the language in the Sparkasse app? From German to English. The method in English, or any other language, whether Turkish, Ukrainian, or Uzbek. There are a large number of languages. Now I will enter the Sparkasse app. Now we have opened the Sparkasse app. On the following screen, we can see that the language here is German, although the mobile language is English. I will show you how to change the app language in the Sparkasse app from German to any other available language, whether English, Turkish, Ukrainian, or the other languages. Now for me, I want to change the currently set language from German. I want to change it to English, for example. We will see up here on the home page at the top, there is an icon like a globe or Earth. As you can see, it shows you the languages currently available for the app. Sparkasse is telling you that the app is currently set to German, for example. For me, I want to change the language to English, so we will scroll down and choose English. You have a number of languages: English, German, Polish, Turkish, Ukrainian. These are the languages currently available for me, as I said. I want to change it to English, so I will choose English, German, as you can, for example. There is another way you can do it, the same thing. We go to the home page of the Sparkasse app at the bottom right. There is an icon for the profile. We press it. Scroll down and we will see an option called Settings. Press it, then scroll down, and we will see an option called Language. Press it, in German. This option is called Language. This is a special option for changing the language. Press it like this. It will show you the current language of the Sparkasse app, which is set to German. You can change it to the following available languages, such as English, Polish, Turkish, or Ukrainian, for example. If you choose English as well, the same thing. If you choose English, the app language will change very simply. The app language has changed to English as well, for example. The method is also, as you can see, there is a third method. If you have tried the two methods and they did not work for you, the third method will be as follows. We will leave the Sparkasse app, go to the device settings, and open the mobile phone settings. For my phone, we call it my Android phone. We will open the Android phone settings. We will see the symbol at the top and on the right, like settings. As you can see here, at the top and on the right, we press it. Then we will go down and look for an option called Apps. This option, as you can see, has a large number of options. There is an option called Apps. We press it like this. Then we move to the next screen. We will look for the Sparkasse app that I want to change the language of. We will go down and look for the Sparkasse app. This is the Sparkasse app that is here. We press it and tap it. It tells you to tap language. After we went to the Sparkasse app, scroll down. We will see that there is an option called Language. We press it and tap it, and this is the language. I'll show you the languages available in the app. Of course, you choose the language that suits you. For example, I want to try the language English. The app language changes to English. They tell you that the app language is currently German. You want to change it, for example, to English or to Turkish, Polish, or Ukrainian. For me, as I said, I want to change it to English. I will type English and choose German. In this case, they tell you that the app language is now in English. I will open the app to confirm. As you can see, they have opened the Sparkasse app for me to make sure. As you can see, the app language has simply become English. I changed the language of the Sparkasse app from German to English. This was the method, in short, of how I can change the app language inside the Sparkasse app in 3 different ways. Now the video ends, and we will see you in the next video. Peace be upon you, and God's mercy and blessings.